Hey, fifth graders. It's me, Mrs. Arpin, coming to you from Wauwatosa. I think some of you know I live right by the zoo, just so you can kind of picture where in the world I am. One of your options for an assignment for today is to create a how-to drawing video, step-by-step drawing video of your own. Excuse me. So I thought I would take you through what that might look like and sort of what things to think about when you're sharing with someone else how to draw. If you're thinking that you want to share how to draw something to a very young person, like a kindergartner or first grader, you need to really slow it down and really be very specific with where you want them to put what line and shape and all that stuff. If you're doing a drawing tutorial or a step-by-step video for somebody your own age, then that might look a little bit different. So what I've done is I found the camera on my Chromebook, and then you'll see when you press camera, you'll see square, photo, video, and then the record button, and that's how you get your video started. If you have any questions about that, you can check in with me, and I can hope to answer your questions so you can figure it out. You could also do just like on a piece of paper, like each of the steps of the drawing, and you could send a picture of that to me. That would work out fine too if you'd be more comfortable doing something like that rather than actually taking a video of yourself. So what you might do, let's pretend you want to teach a kindergartner or a first grader how to draw a flower. So you're going to think about the way that looks and the simple shapes and the words you might want to say to that kid. So what I might start with on a flower is I might tell the student to draw a small circle. You even have to tell them like where on the paper would you want it to be. So sort of towards the top. And then you could say you're going to make a U shape for petals. So like an uppercase U all the way around your flower till you fill in your whole flower. Then you're going to make a long line, and right next to it another long line for the stem. Then for the leaf, you're going to make like a letter C or a rainbow arc, and then another rainbow arc on the bottom, and then join those together. Okay, you can kind of see. It can be that simple. Might be kind of fun for, if some of the videos work out, it'd be super fun for me to send them over to the kids at Little Prairie, and pretty cool for them to see you as their guide through a drawing lesson. You can even talk about color, texture, adding a bee, adding details, whatever you'd like to do. You can also do the other art for Art Hub for Kids. I cannot get that right no matter what I do. I've looked it up like 1,000 times. Anywho, so have fun. If you want to do these videos, that'd be super fun for you to do that. You could even pick another project that you want to show a how to do this project, how to do something else. And yeah, send it over. See what we can do with it. Have a great day. Hang in there. I hope you find all kinds of fun stuff to do. The drawing tutorials on that website are plentiful, and now I also noticed that the Art Hub for Kids has origami on it as well, so that might be another resource for you while you're home. And if you want any other ideas, just send me a note and I can send you a bunch of links to different stuff that you could do. All right, take care everybody. See ya. Bye.